We're going to be planting this jalapeno gigantica at the end of this garden bed with my tomato plants and get rid of this cauliflower because it's already been 92 degrees here. Yesterday my car said 94 on the way home, and we're just going to go ahead and go with our summer garden. This is the jalapeno gigantica. I love them for poppers, and I think maybe I can get 2 out of here. So let's just try and tease it apart. And you want to be kind of gentle when you do this because you don't want to really hurt the root ball. It needs teased up anyway. Sometimes they're so grown together you can't get them apart, but it's always worth a try. Oh wait, I got it. Okay. Girl, come on. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, we got this. Come apart, come apart. Kind of like untangling hair, you know, and start from the ends and work your way down. And of course, these guys are going to feel a little bit shocked from my doing this. In the long run, this is going to be better because this is actually 2 pepper plants together as one. We don't want one to take nutrients from the other one. We want to have like a good, strong jalapeno. Look at that, 2 little jalapeno plants, and we're gonna plant this one in this spot. You wanna plant your plant no deeper than where it's already rooting out when it comes to peppers. So we're just gonna go ahead and plant it to right here. You wanna make sure that you're not leaving any air around the roots. So you wanna kind of like get it really good and filled in there and just lightly pack it down. Okay, just like this. Perfect. And don't forget to label it. And there you go. We have a little pepper plant planted.